Hello everybody, this is Ankur here. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So today's video is going to be a special video for us because we are going to celebrate a 3 days return which is as good as 13.27%. As you can see, I have posted a video on Aurobindo Pharma, Coforge, Bharti Airtel, L&T and PVR. Bank Nifty, obviously it was a swing trade, so I'm not counting that, and Bell was an investment opportunity. So based on these stocks, Coforge, I have suggested to buy from 2813 and stock went all the way till 2931. So that was a high which was made by the stock today, and I suggested a buying at 2813, so as good as 4.19% return. Bharti Airtel. If you have seen my video on Bharti Airtel, I have given only two levels, 535, 550. Actually, I've given three levels, 535, 550 and 516. But I've suggested all of you in that video that if the stock opens above 535 and if open is equal to low till 920, 925, you can go long, and the profit booking zone is 550. Stock absolutely behaved accordingly. Day before yesterday, stock opened at 535. The open was equal to low, and stock went all the way till 548 and it closed at 544. So perfect level for buying and perfect level for profit booking. Now what happened today? Stock opened at 549.70 and made a high of 550, which is as good as open equal to high. Again, it could not cross 550 and it made a low of 539. So with 2 days price action on the given level on Bharti Airtel, the net return was 4.42%. If you would have seen my yesterday's video on PVR and LNT, if you come and look at the PVR chart, I have clearly mentioned to short PVR below 1207, and I have asked that if PVR is opening above 1207 and if we wait for 920 925 and open equal is equal to low, then we attempt long. However, stock opened below 1207, and I've mentioned very clearly in my yesterday's video that let stock come and cross 1207 and go below it, and then you can attempt the short. Exactly what happened today. The stock opened below 1207, it went up to 1218, could not resist there, could not sustain, came back, broke 1207 and made a low of 1182. So on an intraday basis, we got 2% return on PVR. If you watch LNT, again in LNT, I have suggested you short it feeling a resistance from 1392. The stock opened at 1383, made a high of 1389, very close to 1392, and see it made a low of 1353, as good as 2.59% return intraday basis. So based on Coforge, Bharti Airtel, 2 days price action, PVR, LNT, we have got 13.27% return in just three trading sessions. If you see this Coforge plus Aurobindo Pharma, this video was uploaded 2 days ago on 26th of April. So if you have seen my previous thumbnail on the same day, on the basis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, Adani, ACC, Amara Battery, we have got 7.17% return. And based on the last 3 days trading sessions, we have got 13.27% return. So dear friends, I have started posting videos on my channel from 21st of April. Today I'm recording this video on 29th of April. Between 21 to 29th of April, these 8 days, we have got return of 20%, more than 20%. This is just a pure trading returns I'm talking about, not investing, not a swing trading. I have given only one investment suggestion as of now on my channel, which is BHEL, BHEL, right? The only stock I would like to discuss which did not go as per our move was Aurobindo Pharma. However, the Aurobindo Pharma went up and made a very bearish candle called Shooting Star. As you can see, it got rejected from this channel, which was already drawn. You can see on my in my previous video when I recorded Aurobindo Pharma technical analysis, and the level which I gave was 966. Correct? The stock went below 966, made a low of 962, but again went up. However, It made a very bearish price action, bearish candlestick pattern, and it closed again at 966 only. It closed at 967.20. So just 1.20 point above 966. So I would suggest that again tomorrow, if the stock goes below 966 with a strict stop loss, you can attempt short. But keep trailing your stop loss. Keep trailing your stop loss. If it goes at 960 to 960, bring your stop loss to to your cost. Correct? Keep trailing your stop loss. So Aurobindo Pharma was a stock which didn't go as accurate as our analysis. Other than Aurobindo Pharma, all other stocks or indexes discussed on this channel since 21st of April, whether it was Nifty, Bank Nifty, Adani Enterprises, ACC, Amara Batteries, Coforge, Bank Nifty, Swing Trade, Bharti Airtel, L&T, PVR, absolutely fantastic, 20% return, right? So what we are going to do tomorrow? I'm not changing my stock. Why to change the stock when we have the levels in hand? See, I suggested all of you to buy ACC on 26th of April, correct? And the support I suggested was 1813, 1813. And I have given you two suggestions that on 813, our first profit booking zone will be 1860. And if it goes above 1860, then 1895. Exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. The stock went all the way till 1886, right? So this is what we have got in hand. Now if we see 1886 from 1813, right? 1813. So in ACC also we have got more than 4% return. So we are not going to change any view on ACC. We are not going to shift any levels. Again for tomorrow, the rejection for the resistance would be 1895, or you can say the profit booking zone will be 1895. The support remains 1860. It is not a bearish or not under the correction until and unless it closes below 1860. If ACC closes below 1860, then we'll short and the target would be 813, 1813. If it is managing to close above 1860, then our profit booking level would be 1895. So for tomorrow, the support is 1860 and the resistance is 1895. So keep this level in mind and play with ACC on these two levels, right? Now, in case if it's open tomorrow at 9:15 below 1860, then you can short with strict stop loss, but not at 9:15, at 9:25 if open is equal to high. In case if it opens below 1860 by 9:25, 9:30, it goes above and crosses 960 towards the upside, then we'll long with the stop loss of low of the day, and the profit booking zone will be around 1880, correct? And tomorrow if it is closing above 1860, then for Monday again you can carry forward the trade. So this is the trade for tomorrow. I hope you have enjoyed my rest of the suggestions. Please go and visit, watch those videos. I post videos one day before, and the levels and the stocks are recommended for the next day. So in last 8 days since I started uploading videos on my channel, we have got more than 20% return. So I need your support. Keep supporting, keep watching technical analysis, the unbiased view. Goodbye.